Vulnerability scanners are commonly used by security teams to proactively find and classify vulnerabilities in network devices, hosts, and applications. They provide a vulnerability report that can be used to improve the overall security posture. Unfortunately, the data in these reports can be overwhelming and not specific enough to be actionable. Forward exposure analysis helps security teams prioritize vulnerability remediation by combining the host vulnerabilities data provided by vulnerability scanners like Rapid7 InsightVM with forward networks modeling capabilities. Security teams can identify within seconds which hosts impacted by critical vulnerabilities can be accessed from any exposure point like the internet, and which compromised host can access internal critical infrastructure. The report is collected directly from the vulnerability scanner tool, so there is no impact on the environment. When both the network and vulnerability data are collected and processed, the analysis is shown on the exposure page. The analysis includes three sections: exposure point, overview, and vulnerability report. By default, the exposure point is the internet, but new exposure points like partners and contractors VPN can be easily added. The overview section provides a high-level view of the analysis. It shows the number of vulnerable hosts found by the Rapid7, how many of those hosts are modeled by forward, and how many vulnerable hosts modeled by forward are exposed to the selected exposure point. The vulnerability report provides a detailed report of every vulnerable host exposed to the exposure point. For every such a host, it provides information like IPs, vulnerable services, risk score assigned by the vulnerability scanner, number of critical vulnerabilities, reachable services from the exposure point including layer 4 and layer 7 details, and blast radius analysis for this host. In summary, forward exposure analysis provides security teams visibility into their security posture, and it helps them prioritize vulnerability remediation by combining host vulnerability data provided by the Rapid7 InsightVM with forward networks and modeling capabilities. Thanks for watching.